In this video, I will show you how to completely stop Windows 11 lagging and make your laptop run 200 times faster right now. Let's get started. First of all, right click on Start menu, go to Settings, click on Systems on left pane, then click on Storage. Under Storage Management, you will find Storage Sense. Click here to turn it on and then click on Storage Sense. Configure cleanup schedule. Run stress sense during low free up space by default. Click here and select every week and then delete files in recycle bin if they have been there for over 30 days is default. Click here and select 1 day. Delete files in downloads folder if they have not been opened for more than ever is selected. Select 1 day and then click on run storage sense now. Cleaning up files. Now go to storage again and click on temporary files. Select all temporary files other than download. If you select download, it will remove all files from your download folder. Then click on remove files and you will find a warning. Click on continue. Now click on apps, then click on startup. Now turn off all possible startup apps except Windows Security. Click on Gaming on left menu pane. Go to game mode. If you are not a gamer, so you can turn off game mode. Close settings. Insert type Advanced System Settings. Click on View Advanced System Settings. Click on Advanced tab and then under Performance, click on Settings. Select Visual Effects. Adjust for Best Appearance is selected. Click on Adjust for Best Performance and then click on Apply. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Again in search, type Disk Cleanup. Right click on Disk Cleanup. Click on Run as Administrator and select your system drive from here, C drive, and then click on OK. Select all options from here and then click on OK. Click on Delete Files and the disk is cleaning up. Go to Search. In search, type Defragment. Right click on Defragment and Optimize Drives and click on Run as Administrator. Select your system drive and then click on Optimize. Optimization has been finished. Now click Close. Again go to Search, type Power, click on Edit Power Plan and click on Change Advanced Power Settings and click that drop down menu here and select High Performance and then click on Apply and then OK. Close Power Settings. Right click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Apps and then click on Installed Apps and check if any unnecessary app is installed. You need to uninstall it. I am uninstalling Xbox as because I am not a game enthusiast. Click on three dot icon and then click on uninstall. Then click on uninstall again. In this way, uninstall all unnecessary apps that are installed and consuming high CPU and memory on your laptop. Close settings. Hope these changes will solve your issue and speed up your laptop performance.